High educational services.
In our last video, we talked about changing of decimals in other bases to base 10. So in this video, we're going to look at one or two more examples. So let's take a look at this example here. So it's actually changing as we have these examples here. So changing of decimal numbers in other bases to base 10. So let's take a look at another example. Example 2. The question says change 241.23 base 8 to base 10. So base 10. So as usual, we label our digits. We have 241.23. So the whole number will be 0, 1, and 2. Then the decimal parts will be -1 and -2. Because we are changing to base from base 8, so we have 2 multiplied by 8, and the power of 2 is 2, so the power of 2 plus 4 multiplied by 8 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 8 to the power of 0. Then plus this, we have 2 multiplied by 8 to the power of -1, then plus 3 multiplied by 8 to the power of -2. So next, we have 2 multiplied by 8 squared will give us 64, plus 4 multiplied by 8 to the power of 1 is 8, plus 1 multiplied by 8 to the power of 0 is 1, plus 2 multiplied by 8 to the power of -1 will give you 1 out of 8. Then plus 3 multiplied by 1 out of 8 squared. So this is as 8 to the power of 1. So finally, 2 times 64 will give you 128, plus 4 times 8 will give you 32, and 1 times 1 will give you 1, plus 2 times 1 raised to the power of 1 will give you 2 out of 8, plus 3 out of 8 squared is 64. So when you add 128 plus 32 to 1, you should have 161. Then plus, when you solve this fraction, that will be out of 64. Then 64 divided by 8 will give you 8. Then 8 times 2 will give you 16. Plus 64 divided by 64 will give you 1. 1 times 3 will be 3. Then we have 161 plus 19 out of 64. So finally, we have 161 plus, when you change this to decimal, we have 0.297, and that will give you 161.297 instead. So therefore, this digit 241.23 base 8 will give us 161.297 base 10. So in our next video, we'll look at one more example. Thanks for your time and have a wonderful time to yourself. Bye.